Hey yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use Messenger Kids. Now Messenger Kids is a different version of Messenger. Most people think it's a normal Messenger, you just go to setting and change it to kids. No, there's a separate Messenger for kids. What you want to do is you want to go to Play Store. Oh sorry, I opened the wrong app. What you want to do is you want to go to Play Store, and on Play Store what you want to search for Messenger Kids. Now this is what Messenger Kids looks like, alright? This is not the normal Messenger, it's different. You want to download this. After you download this, it's going to look just like this, Messenger Kids. You want to open Messenger Kids. Now let me show you guys how you guys can set it up to use it, alright? Now the Messenger Kids is opening up. Now you want to use Messenger Kids when you do not want your kids to use your normal messenger where you have other important messages, alright? So what you want to do is you want to click on next. Now what you want to do is confirm your parent or guardian. So you want to, confirm your parent or guardian by, logging into your Facebook. So I'm going to log in into my Facebook real quick. Now after logging into your Facebook, you want to add the name of your child. So let me add my name of my child. So I have added the name of my child. Now I'm going to enter the date of birth. So let me enter his date of birth real quick. Continue. You want to click on create account. After you click on create account, wait for some time. Now if you want to search for your child's friend, basically you want to type your child's friend's parent's name, and it's going to show them their Messenger Kids version, then only you can invite them. But if you don't want to do it, you can click on skip for now. Now you want to choose an adult for WeChat. So I'm going to add my friend Vichy over here. So I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to click on allow, and I'm going to click on turn on, and I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going to click on allow my child. Now if you want to search for your child's friend's parents, you can. But if you don't, then you can click on not now. Now you want to just click on we agree, click on allow access. Now it's asking you to take a photo of yourself so that your child's friends' parents will know that it's you. So I'm going to click on take a photo to take myself a photo. After taking yourself a photo, it's asking you to choose a color to decorate your app. You can choose whichever color you want and click on continue. And it's saying let's go on a mission to explore Messenger Kids. You're going to click on next, let's go. And you just want to skip through all of these stuff. And basically your Messenger Kids is done. Now if your friends over here, it says Richie Kevin offline. So if you create a Messenger Kids app, I can talk with him just by clicking like this and talking with him. First it's asking you to send a sticker. After sending a sticker, you can chat normally like this. So yeah, that's basically how we do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and sayonara. Sayonara means bye. Sorry for that. I used a Spanish term.